welcome to the Livi GG show. So, happy Halloween, everyone. I'm an angel, but I took off my halo and my wings. And I just took off my gloves. And she's in ever after Halloween. Yes. So, I curled my hair. So, this is what we got from trick-or-treating. And we're just going to show you all of it. So, we have a whole bunch of bags full of candy. But it was Halloween yesterday. Because it was too late by the time we got back. Yeah, we were doing this for 2 whole hours. Yeah. And we ate like 2 pieces of candy each. So, yeah. We're missing 2. So, that's not it. We're going to fix it to the bottom so you guys can actually see all this magic that is happening. Yeah, you guys don't need to see us. We're cats. They're so annoying. Come on, go away. I love you, but guess what? Our mom went trick-or-treating. There's so much candy. Oh, I love these things. Oh, I love these. Wait, also we have 2 McDonald's cards for a free cone and a free go-gurt. And we also got a king-size payday. I remember I got that. Gianna, she got a king-size Kit Kat. Then I got these, and Gianna got the little candies and the chips. I got a Dove dark chocolate bar, because I like dark chocolate, and then I got this sea salt caramel bar. I'm gonna have to share this Dove with you. Yeah, and this sea salt chocolate. It's really good. So we're just gonna pick out 3 things. Yeah, and oh wait, I guess we're not finished. And these are the bags that we went trick-or-treating in. And these are the 2 bags that we filled up to the top, plus the beads. Yeah, it was so pretty. We had a whole entire, 2 bags. We had to fill 2 bags up. Plus 1 book bag. Yeah. So we're going to pick a few things, and we're going to pick 3 things that we want to taste for you, and we're going to put them in our bucket, and we'll be right back. We'll be back because we don't want to ruin the surprise. Okay, so we moved somewhere safer where you don't have to see all that candy. We moved to our studio, and we have 1 extra candy. So I guess we'll try it now. So it was really weird to get for a Halloween treat. Yeah, so do you want to go get some water just in case it's bad? Yes. So they're Tea-Mints. I got this for Halloween. I don't understand people sometimes. Like, really? A Halloween treat with children? For children, I mean. Like, here you go. I'm trying first, because I did it. Okay, we only got 1 of them, so. Okay, so how many are in there? 1,000! Oh my god, they're shaped as little teeth. That sounds terrible. But they're little leaves, and there's 4. So we're just gonna take 1 each. Wait. Okay. So. Wait, don't do this yet. I have a good idea. Ooh, I'll be back too. So you sit there. I'm gonna go get our ice cubes. Oh, we could have just used the water bottle instead of using the cup of water. Yeah. Well, this is a special edition because since it's so special, we have some special ice cubes that we want to share with you for Halloween. Oh, I think you just broke it. It's just a broken spider, I think. I don't know what this is. I think it's a spider. Pull it out. Okay, got it. So yeah, we have a broken spider. And let's do 1 more. Let's do a mystery. I don't know what that one is. It's like weird. What is this one? Do you guys ever have problems getting out ice cubes like me?
I do.
I do all the time. Okay.
Especially when we're doing teamwork. That's weird. It's a spider web.
A spider web. So we have a spider and a spider web. Bam. So do you want to put this back?
Yeah.
Okay. Done. Delicious.
Guys, the candy is literally leading to our fridge. Mike.
We kicked it all the way there. So I'm going to try the first tea bag thing. It's okay. It tastes like tea, but
Is it sweet or it has no flavor?
it's like
Oh no, she's making me scared.
at the end. It tastes like nail polish.
You tried nail polish before?
Is it squishy? No, it's hard.
Okay. They look like leaves.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Come on. Come closer to me.
They already stink.
Okay, come on. I'm not eating these ever again. So,
Whoops.
here, take it off my dress. It's right here. Take it off my dress. The first part's really good, I guess.
I can already taste like it. I can already taste it. It tastes like shampoo.
No, it doesn't, because the first part tastes really good.
Mmm.
Just put it in your mouth. Chew it up. Just chew it. Just watch. The first bite's like, ooh, yum. Tastes like tea. Then the nail polish starts. You taste it? Isn't it bad?
The first part tastes like a mint.
And I like mints. Okay, let's just get on to the candy.
So who wants to go first?
You can go first. This is my bag. A little closer.
Mine too. So I'm going to start with this because it's the smallest. It's a Reese's peanut butter cup, I think.
Yeah, I think.
I've never had this.
Me neither. I only had
Regular Reese's. That's
yeah,
it.
just like Reese's Pieces.
Yeah.
And I had like a Reese's cup. So just throw out your tray.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, come close so they can see it.
So now I'm gonna have to rip it. I think.
I'll take the smaller piece. It's not really like peanut butter. I like peanut butter. Oh, so that's the inside. But you guys don't need to see.
Mm-hmm.
We're not gonna do fun factor or flavor.
Mm.
And move on to the next candy.
That is my best candy ever.
Okay. Almond Joy Bar.
Oh, that looks cool.
That's a cool inside. Okay, now let's eat it. Mmm.
Mmm. She ate the peanut. Mm-hmm.
That's why I give her 2 big pieces. I just had a little peanut. Mmm. That's good. So just put yours like here.
I'm gonna eat it.
I'll finish it later. Come on. And next candy.
This Nerds.
I never had grape flavor.
No, I only had the pink ones, I think.
I only had the white ones.
Yeah, I had the white ones. That's all.
Okay. Try to be quick because we don't have much battery left.
Huh?
No?
Wait, what were you saying?
Okay.
We don't have much. Oh gosh, it's battery.
It's dying. That was just a beep beep thing.
But you guys didn't hear it. Our camera is dying.
Come on, just open
Come on, I'll pour it in your hand or mouth.
hand. Come on, beaky. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Oh,
I
nice.
can't finish all
Sorry.
this. Mmm.
Ah.
A nice small bucket. Really? Okay. Next candy. let's try Smarties. And I had Smarties before. Literally ever. So these are probably gonna be interesting.
I've never tried Smarties. I've never even heard of it.
One. Me too. Two. And last one is thing. So I'm gonna take a bite out of each one of these because they're all different colors: blue, white, and blue, purple, and pink. So blue.
Blue.
Purple.
Yeah.
I like them. And pink. Okay, next candy. Not that! I'm not getting next candy. Not eating next candy. And then drop it on the floor. I'll get it. These are Halloween chips, and we don't know what they are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. I think this is cheese curls.
Yeah, the cheese curls, so they're probably different. But let's try them.
Yeah. Okay, so these are what they look like.
Cheese curls. I don't really like cheese curls. They don't really look like I'm gonna like them. No.
They're delicious.
No.
She's a weirdo.
No. Next we have, what the heck? Health. A health bar will get you through your day. It's like the payday. I seen the commercial. Okay, so let's try this.
What?
What the heck is in this health? Deliciousness.
Tastes like caramel with pretzels.
That tastes delicious. It's peanuts and chocolate and like caramel.
I've tasted this before, I feel like.
I feel like I had it before somewhere, but that's delicious. What's your last candy?
Oh. And for the finishing touch, 100 grand.
100 grand.
100 grand.
Open it up, I want to eat it.
Oh, I know what grand means. It means money.
100 grand. 100 chins.
Can you open it?
Sure.
I want to rate it.
I want to see it.
Ah!
It's bumpy!
That's just creepy.
That's scary. I just want the little piece.
Ugh.
Oh, yum.
It's really weird.
It's like, have they had those crunch bars? It's like a crunch bar with some caramel in it. I like
really
crunch
good.
bars.
Delicioso.
So my last candy is in my bag, plus my nerds that are in here are another bag of Halloween chips. So let's open them up. They look like chips. They're good. I like them.
They're pretty good.
It's better than those cheese curls.
Fine. I keep on doing. Here, move your hand back up.
So good.
I think cheese curls are still better.